All right. So, has anyone been able to come up with any idea on how to solve this?
Um,
Not
Good
yet.
morning, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I think I have.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Like the way we are going to like solve this set question. For example, like they said 12 of them, group of them, 12 of them sell maize. So you
Okay.
write maize, then you put the like something
The
like
okay.
for yes, you put it as 12. Equals to 12, like for M. If you're
Okay.
getting maize, equal to 12.
Okay.
Then yeah, do like that. Then five cell plantain and maize. Now do M that is P and M. That is
Okay.
P
Like
and M.
intersection.
Yeah,
Intersection.
intersection M
Good.
equals
Good.
to 5.
Okay.
Then four cell yam and maize. That is Y intersection M. That is yam and maize equal to
Okay.
the 2.
Okay.
Then two cell plantain and this thing. Why only 3 is left out? That one, why only 3 cell all the 3 of them. Like so
Okay.
that one will not be when you are doing it like the diagram, the 3 one part of them to be outside because I think the 3 of them it sells the 3.
It will be outside, right?
Yeah, I think so. To be
Okay, hold
outside.
on. That's a very good attempt, okay? But we're going to look at it now. Meanwhile, that three supposed to be at the center of the three circles, okay?
Yeah, 3 of them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because it's in the three circles. Exactly.
That is
Okay,
yes,
okay. That's a very good attempt. Hold on. Let's get
sir.
started. And please, I want all of you to concentrate. At this point, don't write anything. Just listen. Once you listen, it's whatever that you retain in your mind, in your brain, that is going to be useful in the exam, not what you retain in your note. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So later on, if I send you the note, or if I say, okay, write down, or I will send you the note later that you're not even going to write during this class. So whenever you now get the note, you take your time, you write them down. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So let's get started. Like you rightly explained, let us pick out the values that have been given. So the first part says, okay, the first thing that is very much important there is that they all sell at least one of the items. So there is no one that did not sell anything. Take note of that. Because if there is anyone, maybe like out of all of them, maybe some of them didn't even sell anything. They are just going there to survey in the market. Then there will be what we call complement. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Because they will not be part of the data. So let's begin to, itemize it. 12 of them sell maize. Okay. Let's say number of maize. Let M be for maize. So number of maize is 12. Then 10
So
sell
yeah.
yam. Number of yam equal to 10.
10.
Good. Then the next information is that 14 sell plantain. Number of plantain equal 14. Please listen. 5 cell plantain and maize. So number of plantain intersection maize equal to 5. 4 cell yam and maize. Number of yam intersection maize. Is it yam and maize? Yeah. Equal to 4. Then 2 cell yam and plantain. Number of yam and plantain equal to 2.
2.
While, okay, yeah, this one said 2 cell yam and plantain only. Good. So that is, we must put it there, okay? Equal to 2. Now, it now says while only three sell all the three items. You know, all the three items. So we can now conclude and say number of maize intersection yam intersection plantain equal to 3. So it now says how many women are in the group. In a nutshell, it's asking us to find number of M union Y union P. Okay? M union Y union P. That's what we're looking for. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. So don't write anything like I said, just listen. Now, let us deal with this information. Let's deal with this data, okay? Um, hold on, please. Hold on, please. Hold on, please. So we're going to have three circles, okay? Maybe this is the first one. And somebody is talking, right? What? You want to ask a question?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's
What?
the union?
Okay. The union, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Is it okay? Fine. I didn't mention it. I only mentioned it, I didn't write it. What they want us to find when they said find how many women are in the market or sales in the market, that means the total number of all those women, and that means the union. Okay. So what they're saying is that find uh, maize union, yam union, plantain. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, so we're going to get started to how to solve it. So to solve it, we'll be drawing Venn diagram. Venn diagram. That was the circle or the whatever you were explaining the other time. So to attack this question, we're going to have three circles to represent this information. So let's say this is the second circle. Maybe I can change the color of that one, then take another color for the third circle, like this. Then I will say, let the first
sir.
one, can you hear me?
Yes,
So let the first one be maize, the second one be yam, and the third one be plantain.
sir.
Okay?
Sorry.
All right, all right. So you're going to put it in a rectangle because that's how to draw your Venn diagram. Why must it be in a rectangle? You know, I explained something that there is none of them that doesn't sell any of the three items. Okay. If there is any of them that does not sell maize, yam, and plantain, that person will never be in these three circles. The person will be here, okay?
Yes.
Because he will not join that circle. All right. Let us now you must start by fixing the point that consists
Three.
of all of the three
Sir.
circles here. You know, this region consists of the three of them, right?
Yeah.
Good. We're going to put number of intersection of all of them. Is that clear?
Three.
Which is three.
Yes.
We're going to put it at the center there. So we'll put 3 here. Okay. Now, the next thing that we want to represent is number of plantain and yam. If you check in the circle of
Yes, sir.
plantain, in the circle of plantain, this is the circle of plantain, this whole place, right?
Yes.
Are you following this? This is the
Yes.
good. This is the complete circle of plantain. But in that circle, we have
Yes.
In that plantain, hello, please listen. In that plantain circle, we have represented three people. Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. And those three people, they have entered into maize, right?
Yes.
Good. And they have also entered into yam, right?
Yes.
Good. But but the information we want to represent now is telling us about region that contain both plantain and yam. So is the one this region is where we can find in the yellow, which is plantain. We can also find it in the green, which is yam. Is that clear? Hello.
Yes, sir. So,
Let there be decorum, please. So let them know that you're learning so that at least there will not be no distractions. Now, I'm saying that this region is inside plantain and also inside yam together, right?
yes, sir.
Good. And they gave us five, where there is already a three. So what remained to make five here?
Hmm.
Two. That's correct. So it's two we're going to put at this particular place, okay? Not not five. Is that clear?
Yes.
This is what we are trying to represent here, right? Okay. And this is going to be what? Two. Let me use a color that you can see, maybe black. So this is two because the two plus three must give us this five. Okay,
Yes.
good. Now the next one says yam and maize is four. Yam and maize is four. Let us identify the region for yam and maize that are all together. So this is yam, okay, and this is maize, right? Right?
Yes.
Sorry, sir.
You okay? You want to ask a question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ask.
So, for intersection, pig and plantain and maize, it's not
Okay.
meant to be plantain and maize, it's meant to be at this third side because they ask for plantain and
Okay,
maize.
yes. Sorry. I was looking at yam and plantain for that. That's a very good observation. That's a very good observation. Let me try to undo that. I'm trying to represent plantain and maize, right? Right?
Yes,
Okay.
maize.
Hold on. Let me see if I can remove that. Okay, that cannot remove. Yeah, it's this region. Okay, is that clear? Plantain and maize. So now
Yes,
this is where the two supposed to be. Okay, this is
yes,
where the two.
sir.
The point there the point there that you should take note of is that you are not going to put five. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Can one of you explain to me why we're not supposed to put five there?
What am I supposed to do?
Because three is already represented in that region. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Now, the next one that I want to represent, like I said, is yam and maize. So now, where is the region of yam? This is yam, okay? Right?
Yes,
Good. And where is maize? This is maize, okay? So in yam and maize, where is the region that combine them? This place. Is that clear?
sir.
Good. There is already 3 in that region, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then we need how many more to make 4?
One.
1. So it's 1. I'm going to put here, not 4. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Then remain only this place to represent, which is yam and plantain. But there is a condition there. It says yam and plantain only. Okay?
Yes.
Which means because it says yam and plantain only, it does not have anything to do with any other shapes, like the any other region, like the maize. It doesn't have anything to do with the maize. Okay,
Yes.
so that too is for that white portion only. Is that clear?
Yes,
So we
sir.
will not subtract it. We will just use it like that. Now that we have identified all of the intersections, then we now need to identify all of the only region that are only, only, and only. Okay?
Yeah.
Let me change the color. This brown region, the brown region of maize, does not have anything to do with yam and plantain. Okay? The blue region of yam does not have anything to do with maize and plantain. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And the purple region of plantain does not have anything to do with the other ones. But the maize that they gave us, they said 12, right?
Yes, sir.
That means the entire region of maize should be 12, okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Then 2, 3, and 1 has been represented, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
What remains to make 12?
6.
Good. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, the next one is 10, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Which is for yam, but this is yam. Everything here is yam. So 6 has, I mean, how many has been represented? 6 again, right?
Mm.
Remain what?
4.
4. Good. And in the region of plantain, there are 14. But how many has been represented here already?
Mm.
7. So remain what?
7.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you are looking for union, union will be everything in the 3 shapes all together without repeating anyone. Okay? So this is going to be what? 6
Yes, sir.
plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus the
Yes,
other
sir.
2
Mm.
and plus 7. So add this together and tell me what you get.
25.
25. That means there are 25 women selling at the market. So we've been able to find the answer to that. Is that clear?
Mhm.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good, very good. You will not write it down. After the class, what I will do, I will send you the video of this class. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You will find your time, sit down and watch it for better understanding. Then you will now copy out the note. And I wouldn't mind after writing out the note, you snap and send to me on WhatsApp. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Did I say women? Women in the group. Women in the group. So the next question we want to look at is not on set theory, but it's on um, logarithm. Okay, logarithm. So let me see. Hold on. We're going to start that one uh, briefly, okay? Okay, please, I don't want any of you to write anything at this point. Please listen. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, as we can see, this question is on logarithm. We have if log um, 10 to base 8 equal to x, then you are to evaluate log 5 to base 8. You have to evaluate what?
Log 5
Five
to
to
base
base
8.
eight.
Very good, very good. The first thing is to interpret this question. Log 10 base 8 equal to x. That's the first sentence there. Then find, that's meaning of to evaluate it, to find the value of log 5 to base 8 in terms of x, right?
So,
Okay. If it didn't say in terms of x, we can get number as our answer, okay?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
But since it said in terms of x, there must be x in our answer. So when you say you get 0 point whatever and it doesn't include um, x, then you have not found it in terms of x. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Let us now see the approach to use to this question.
Yeah.
Let's say
Hmm.
there is something you must know. There is a rule of logarithm that says when you have log a number, base a number, equal to a number, you can change the format to become the first term there equal to the second term raised to power of the third term. How many terms are in the expression A, B, C? There are three terms there, okay?
Oh my God.
There are A, B, and C in this expression, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can rewrite them. Please listen, Sarah, please listen. Just focus on the screen like you're watching a movie that you want to interpret later. So just listen. Now, A, B, and C are represented here. The same, excuse me, the same A, B, and C can be represented this way. In this expression, what stands for A? Tell me.
10.
10.
10. Good. What stands for B?
8.
And what stands for C?
X.
Now, if I want to rewrite it, I'll write 10, which is my A, equal to 8, which is my B, and is equal to
This
what?
is
C,
X.
X.
which is X, right?
X.
Which is
This
this. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is if I want to solve this, this is what I am going to, do literally. Let us assume this one is possible, but let's keep this somewhere and now figure out this particular one. Since I have been given something that has to do with 5, 5 is a factor of 10, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Then I'm going to break that 10 into 5 times what? 2. Okay?
2 times 4.
No, no, no. I said I'm going to break the 10. Only 10. Only the 10. Okay? Because it's 10 that if it's 5 I was given here, right?
Yes, sir.
Then the base remains 8. Okay?
Plus 8.
Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good, good. Just focus. Now, this is also equal to what? X.
X.
Because it is still the 10 that we were given, right? Good. In logarithm, whenever you see multiplication, you can separate the log and add the logs together. Okay?
Yes.
So we can say there is a law that says if there is a log a times b to base c, we can separate them and say log a base c plus, because of the times, okay, that will be plus log b base c, the same base, okay?
Indifferent.
Are you hearing me?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Yes, the law also exists in indices and it also exists in logarithm. Is that clear?
Yes.
But in indices, it's talking about powers, while in logarithm, it's talking about multiplication to become addition. Okay, when you separate them. All right.
All right, sir.
Let us now separate this one. What will I write? I'll write log 5 base 8
Yes.
plus what?
Plus
Yes.
log
Log
2
2
base
base
8
8 equal to what? X. Okay.
x.
Now, since I have written this, I can find this out, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So that will be log 5 base 8 equal to x minus the other log, okay? You know, you catapult this to the other side, right? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Please don't write anything. Sarah, it looks like you are writing. Are you writing?
No,
Okay,
sir.
okay. So, you know, you are finding this, right?
Yes.
Now, if you leave it alone, you move this to the other side, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And it was positive, right?
Yes.
When it crosses, it becomes what?
Negative.
Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, in exam, this is supposed to be the expression for your answer, but you can simplify this further. If you don't simplify it, you will miss your answer, okay?
Yes.
So this is now equal to log, x, okay? Let me say, let me try to move this page. So this is equal to x minus log 2 base 8, right?
Yes.
Please concentrate. I want to change the 8 now to become 2 raised to power something. I want the 8 to appear like 2. So if 8 must appear like 2, is 8 equal to 2?
Three.
Raised to power 3, very good. Is that clear?
Yes.
So I'm going to put base 2 raised to power what? 3. Okay? And in logarithm, when you have log a base b raised to power c, this c can come as a coefficient, but it will be 1 over that coefficient.
Three log. Three log. Yes.
You said?
C log A.
No, it's not going to be c, but it will be 1 over. But if it is the power on this, it's going to just be there without 1 over. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So log A base B raised power C can become 1 over C log A base what? B. So what is my C here?
Three.
3. So the answer is going to become x minus 1 over 3, okay, log 2
Yes.
base 2. And whenever you have log of the same base, log of the same base must always be 1 is a rule, okay? So this will now become x minus 1 third times 1. So your answer will be what?
X minus 1/3.
Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So probably we can try to look at one more question, okay?
Difference of two squares. You have to put them in one bracket and then square
Okay.
them.
Just you
Um,
can.
uh, wait, wait. If it is times that exist between them, okay? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If it is times that exist between them, you can multiply the numerators together and the denominators will be difference of two squares, okay?
Yes.
But this time around, you cross multiply, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's quickly look at this. Let's quickly look at this. So please make sure you're not writing at this point. So we have root 2 over x plus root 2 equal to 1 over x minus root 2. So if I cross multiply, like we said, cross multiply, I have root 2,
So,
hold on, root 2 into what? X minus root 2 equal to 1
root
times the other one, which is x plus root 2, right?
two.
Now, I want to open this bracket. So this is going to be x root
X
2,
root
yes. Then this one times
minus
the
2.
minus
2.
2, yeah, good.
Minus
Then,
2.
then this is going to be x plus root 2, right? Then I'm going to
Yes, sir.
have x root 2
Minus root
minus
2.
x, minus x, okay, to be equal to root 2 plus 2, okay?
Well, sir,
What am I finding?
finding X.
Good. So x must be alone, yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So we must collect x to one side to go and meet the other x, okay?
Yes.
Good. And this x is positive, it changes to negative. So now let us factorize this, okay? X into what? Root 2 minus 1, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Root 2 plus 2. Then how can I find my x? You divide both sides by what is disturbing x, which is root 2 minus 1 over root 2 minus 1. Is that clear?
Yes.
Then this is going to cancel this. Once that canceled out, what do we have? We have x alone, right?
Yes.
So we have x
Yes.
equal to root 2 plus 2 over what? Root 2 minus 1.
Plus
But
1.
this is not your answer, okay? You need to rationalize.
Rationalize.
Yes. You need to rationalize it. Then x equal to root 2 plus 2 over root
Over.
2 minus 1 times the conjugate of the denominator, yeah. Root 2 plus 1
So, minus
over root
One.
2 plus 1.
over root 2.
Good, good, good.
Shut up.
So now, no, don't don't tell somebody to shut up,
Hey.
okay? All right. Um, x equal to this. So to rationalize it, we're multiplying this. This is where difference of 2 square, or let's just expand it, okay? So that we can get whatever we want to get. And if we want to treat it as difference of 2 square, that would be root 2 square, then minus 1 square. Yes or no?
Yes.
So x equal to whatever is at the top, which is root 2 times root 2, that is 2, right?
Yes.
Then root 2 times 1, that is root 2. Then 2 times root 2, that is plus another root 2, okay? Which is 2 root 2. Is that clear? Then 2 times
Yes.
Yes,
1,
sir.
2 times 1, that is 1. All over the difference of 2 square. Root 2 square is 2. 1 square is 1, okay? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So x equal to, what is 2 plus 1?
3.
Three.
Yeah, let me see.
Wait. I don't understand. From here to
Hold on, I'm trying to check on something. Where did I get the 1? Okay, this should be 2 times 1, okay? Which is 2. Is that clear?
yes, sir.
Which is 2. So over the difference of 2 squared now, which is root 2 times root 2, that is 2. Then 1 times 1, that is 1. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So how many, what is 2 plus 2?
Three.
3.
Four.
4. Then what is 1 root 2 plus 2 root 2?
Three root two.
All over 1, right?
Yes.
So finally, x equal to
4
4
plus 3.
plus 3 root 2. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. If you check your time now, it should be about 8 o'clock. So by the grace
So
of God,
sorry.
okay, yeah,
Um, after the rationalizing,
yeah.
white.
No.
Okay, fine, fine, fine. I can get that. So let us take this rationalizing to a page and explain it, okay?
Yes, sir.
It's because of the people around you, they're on the express lane. They want to jump it into difference of two squares, okay? So this is what you are supposed to do literally. You're supposed to say root 2 plus 2 times root 2 plus 1, okay? At the top. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Then
sir.
at the bottom, you have root 2 minus 1 times root 2 plus 1. So this time around, we want to do expansion. Okay, this is called expansion in mathematics. So you're going to take this one to multiply the two of them. Okay, that will be root 2 into the second bracket, which is root 2 plus 1. Then the second number times the two of them. Okay, that will be plus 2 into the same bracket. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Then over the one at the bottom too, the first term multiply the two, okay? That will be root 2 into root 2 plus 1. Then the second term multiply the 2. Is that clear? But it's
Minus
minus. But
one.
it's, yeah, good. Root 2 plus 1. So this is what we're going to expand to get that final answer. Is that clear? So let's do it. Let's do it. We can take some time to do it. So root 2 times root 2 in sod is root 4, okay, which is 2, right? Is that clear? Then root
Yes,
2
sir.
times 1 is root 2. Then 2 times root 2 is 2 root 2. Then 2 times 1 is 2. Then at the bottom, root 2 times root 2 gives us root 4. Then root 2 times 1 is root 2. Then 1, negative 1 times root 2 is minus root 2.
Minus four.
Root
Then
2.
negative 1 times 1 is
Minus
negative
four.
1. So here now we have x equal to, at the top, this becomes 2, okay? And this become a root 2 and 2 root 2, that is 3 root 2, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is 2 at the end. Then at the bottom, this becomes 2, okay? Then a root
Plus
2 cancel a root 2, that's minus. Then you have minus 1 left. Then the final answer is going to be 2 plus 2 is what?
4
Plus
plus
3 root 2
3.
all over 1, because 2 minus 1 is 1. Then finally, x gave us our 4 plus 3 root 2 all over 1. I mean, no over 1 again, okay?
Yes,
Is that clear?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So did you enjoy today's class, all of you?
Yes, sir.
And are you
Yes, sir.
confident enough by now that you're going to gain more, at least more to your knowledge from this class?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Okay, so um, that is what we're running up for today, okay? All right.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
yeah,
Thank you.
goodbye for now. We'll see you tomorrow by God's grace.